Hey guys, welcome back. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Sandy. Today I went to our local grocery store and I got a couple of items. I have some stuff left at home, but I'm gonna go ahead and try to like mix and match and make those meals for the week. And I had a plan this week. I was gonna make a certain meals, but ended up that we were switching our set around and changing our lighting, and those meals aren't going to work out. So I had to kind of see what they had available at the store, see what I still had at home, and try to make something up for you guys. So this week I'm going to go and do a 3 meals with 1 prep, doing salads and maybe some with some yogurt bowls as well. So far I've organized everything into categories, so let me show you what we got. Where I did go was Wegmans. That's our grocery store that we have here. So if you guys don't have one, kind of stinks because they have a whole bunch of great stuff with great pricing, and so since they've opened, we have been there every single week. So let's start with the fruits. I got a large pineapple that we're gonna cut, and there's actually a particular device that we got on Amazon that makes it so easy to cut. I'm gonna go ahead and put the link on the bottom for you, but before it used to be such a pain just to buy these, but now with that device it's so easy to make. So I will leave the link for that. I also found some apple slices that are already in packages, and these are really easy to grab on the go if you're gonna go to work or for school, so that's why I have them pre-sliced like that. I also have a large pack of strawberries, and this is gonna go great with the yogurt, and then also just to eat on its own. Some bananas here as well. Some clementines, which is Brandon's favorite fruit. He has to have one like pretty much every day for school or even at home for a snack. It's his favorite. And then I found this interesting thing here. This is coconut chunks. I've never had this before, so I'm gonna try it right now for you. But I thought it would be interesting to eat this with the pineapple. Maybe put it on some yogurt or something, but it looks like there's chunks of coconut meat in here. So let's see how fresh this is. It's actually pretty good. It actually tastes just like the coconut on the inside. It looks like they scraped down, they cut it into chunks. So I could see like maybe slicing this up, or maybe even leaving them chunk and putting it with like one of the yogurts and some of the pineapple. I think that would be pretty good. But yeah, coconut chunks, something new. All right, so moving on to vegetables. First, I got a bag of romaine lettuce. So this is gonna be the main staple for our salads for the week. I found some Roma tomatoes, and I also got a pack of corn here. So I'm thinking of maybe like putting this on the grill, get some good grill marks on that, and then slice it up, put that on top of the salad. I have here red onion and some sweet potatoes. So I'll probably roast those sweet potatoes up, and then some mushrooms. And then to go along with that, we have some feta crumbled cheese that we're probably gonna put on top and do maybe like a Greek salad. I also went to their little Mediterranean olive bar, and I got a scoopful of pesto sauce. Already pre-made, pretty easy to use. I'm probably gonna use that to marinate maybe the chicken. And let's see, got the mushrooms here. All right, moving on to our dairy stuff. I got a whole bunch of cheese. So we still have some cheese at home, but we're almost done. And honestly, this is really just to replenish the cheese that we've already used. So it seems like a lot, but it's really to replenish, I swear. But I got some provolone, some Colby Jack. We got some shredded mozzarella, some shredded taco mix, like Mexican mix. And then I have some mozzarella sticks too. And then some deli meat. We got some salami. And I just bought some turkey and some ham. So I figured, got some whole wheat multi-grain tortillas. I think we'll make some wraps with that. We got the cheese, we got the lettuce, the deli meat for that. So maybe some wraps will be good. Also, Brandon really likes the salami and mozzarella cheese sticks that we wrap up together and put into the little skewers. So get that. Looks like I also have some guacamole cups. These are pretty easy on the go. Sometimes I get this and then I bring some tortilla chips with it, or just maybe even like some pretzels or carrots will go really well with this. So that's like a nice afternoon snack. And then I also have some American cheese. He loves American cheese. I think he likes to open the wrappers, honestly. And the only meat that I kind of walked out with today are these chicken breast tenderloins. So I like to cook with chicken tenders because they're much faster to cook with than chicken breasts. But I mean, these are a little more expensive, but it actually cooks faster. So I prefer saving time with that. So this is the pack I got. This will probably be the base of the meats that I'm going to use for our salads for the meals. And then I got a whole bunch of yogurt. So I didn't realize they had all these yogurts today. And so I got one of each just to try out for and to make yogurt bowls. So this one's peach. I got peach, triple berry. This is plain, and then there's vanilla as well. And I don't really like the plain one too much. Sometimes I use it to make dips and dressings and stuff. But if I eat it with a yogurt bowl, I'll usually drizzle some honey on top of it. And then I found strawberry, blueberry, and this one's it's different. Coconut. So I think maybe coconut with the pineapple, the coconut chunks. I think that might be a good bowl. Along with that, I got a loaf of whole wheat bread, again, to maybe make some sandwiches. And then down to the pantry stuff, I have a can of garbanzo beans or chickpeas, and then one of black beans. So these are going to be incorporated into the salads as well. I'm thinking Tex-Mex, Mediterranean, 2 different type of salads. I found this little bottle of sesame seeds just to like sprinkle on top. And then I have a bar of chocolate. I think I'm going to shave this and then do this with raspberries maybe, because I have some raspberries in the fridge. And then do that as a yogurt bowl. And this will be like the topping to go with that. And then I found 2 different kinds of granola. The first one is a cocoa and chia seed granola. So it's like chocolate, whole grain oat clusters with chia seeds and cocoa. So again, I'm going to do that. To put on the yogurt bowl, probably with this chocolate bar. And then I found this one, oats and honey clusters with toasted coconut. And that's going to be combined with the coconut yogurt, the cocoa chunks, and the pineapple. You see where I'm going with this? That's going to be the yogurt bowl. And the last thing I got was another box of my Belgian waffle mix. This is my favorite. We've done several episodes maybe using this already, and it's just the best one out there. It's the easiest one, and it's just so much easier to get this, and Brandon likes to mix that up for me as well. So this is the grocery haul I did today, again, at our local store, Wegmans. And, you know, if you want to see any more videos that are like this, let me know. And eventually I will get these all done, made into the meals, and then you'll be able to see those episodes later as well. So look for those. I hope you enjoyed today's episode, and if you did, like and subscribe. And follow me on Instagram at Little Monster East so you can see what I come up with next. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a monsterific day. Bye!